Before initialization, please make sure devices are factory default. Select region. Select display language. Select VLAN as device scene. Now we just need 4 steps to complete configuration. Step 1. Set current VTH IP address. Step 2. Set password. This password will be the project settings password. Email will be needed when password forgotten. Step 3. Initialize device. When initialized, other device's password will be same as the one in step 2. Step 4. Device config. Other devices' IP address support addition. For VTO as the SIP server in VLAN system, time and date also support addition. VTH will sync VTO time and date automatically. Press configure when addition is done. The configuration is now taking effect. Now the one key configure is well done.